today's video is going to be an ultimate whole house clean with me. I got so much to get done, and I'm going to take you along with me. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I want to get done is I want to strip my bed. I need to take all these sheets off and get them washed. While those are washing, I can get everything else done. My living room looks like a playroom exploded. I really need to get this done. It's bothering me. I don't know about you guys, but I love myself some iced coffee, and that's what I'm gonna be making, so that way it can help me get moving. Any other mamas out there love coffee like I do? Get this living room going. Now that I got my coffee, alright, let's go. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. I'd love for you guys to join my YouTube family. Look how cute my little baby is trying to give me his little wrapper. And yes, my kids are watching a Christmas Puppy Pals episode in the middle of May. Both my boys love the sweeper. Now with this nice weather around, we definitely go through a lot more towels, especially my kids' beach towels. you guys have fun beach towels for your kids too? Dusting my TV stand. It's dark, so you can see so much dust on it, but it's one of the things I always forget to do. And of course, there's a couple little toys on here too. Are you like me and always forget to dust too? Let me know. So I definitely gotta get this trash taken out. shelf's pretty much finished. I gotta finish cleaning up this kitchen, and this is gonna be the last thing I'm getting done for this video anyway. Alright, let's go.
Alright, almost done. Just gotta finish cleaning up this counter and wipe off my coffee pots. And I think we're gonna be done.
I hope you enjoyed this clean with me, and I hope that you got some motivation out of this. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new here, please join my family and hit the subscribe button. We'll see you next time. Bye.